Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm so excited to share this month's set with you because those of you sometimes just want a little extra, a little bit more masculine. This one's going to be for you, but I promise you it is not just masculine because our design team went crazy with this one, doing it every which way. And that's what I love about our design team. They take my designs and they make them magnificent, which I'm really excited about. But before I even acknowledge that, you're getting a freebie this month. Yay! That is so exciting. And I can't even show it to you because people like it to be a surprise. So on your marks, get set. This is our stamp club of the month. It is called Message in a Bottle. Now, I know you're thinking, oh my goodness, that's so fun. You could add a little note in there. You have your bottle. You have a small bottle for the back of your cards or for your envelope decorating. A little ship, a little message, another kind of message with a heart on it, some waves, some words wishing you calm seas and happy days. Our friendship is unsinkable. Floating by to say hi. We have some little clouds in there. Now, our stamp club members are getting this stamp sent to them automatically. For only $13.99 a month, they are getting a brand new photopolymer stamp set sent to them automatically. Boom. But a lot of you are like me and you do not want to even try to fuzzy cut. And yes, I call it fuzzy. It's not fussy. It's fuzzy. It never looks good. We have the dies that match. And when I say we have the dies that match, I mean we have the inside dies and the shadow dies. So if you like a shadow all the way around your stamped images, great, I have you covered. If you don't want a shadow around your stamped images, great, I have you covered both ways. You get to decide. So you're getting all of these dies. Now, you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and a little heart, extra hearts, and some clouds. So fun. Now, you are also getting a handy dandy storage card, information card that's going to share with you all the other items that you can add on if you want. That's in the next video. Stay tuned for that because there is so much more to this collection. If you know me at all, you know I can never stop at just a 4x6 stamp set. I go crazy. I like to take the collection to a bigger realm, and I like it to have a lot of other things to add on that are optional for you. So Stamp Club members, boom, you're getting this one along with your freebie. Die Hard Club members, you're getting the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match and a freebie as well. Now let's jump in and look at some of the awesome samples from our design team. And then I want you to go check out the add-on collection items because they are amazing. Here we go. Look at how cute this is. A little note from my side of the sea. So that's a little sneak peek, right? Look at how cute that is. Or here's this one with our shell edge. I love that. You're my favorite treasure. Oh, that's a sneak peek down there below. I love that. Oh, look at this one. This is awesome. This is with our A2 beach background. How appropriate, right? It lands on the beach, the little message in a bottle with a ship in the background. So fun. This one is awesome because it's using our seafloor dies. Now, you are going to be grabbing those seafloor dies quite a bit now because number one, they go perfectly with our pufferfish class, but also with this stamp set and die set as well. So look at that seafloor border dies at the bottom, a little note, and hello, that's girly, right? So we are not talking just masculine here. We're talking everybody, right? Everybody for this stamp set. Look at this one. You've got mail. Isn't that fun? I love that with that little bottle on there, making your own background paper with the extra stamps on one of the other stamp sets. Ooh, or making your own background paper with that little scroll note in there. I wonder what that note says. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love that. Thanks. Ooh, and this one is even dun, 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 a step-up card. I'm sorry, stand-up card. So fun. Now, Club members, I know you know that you are getting 15 to 20% off our entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. Woohoo! Isn't that awesome? Now, if you're not in the club, you don't have to be a club member to order on our website. You don't. But if you are a club member, you save tons of money, let me just tell you. And the clubs start as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set each month. Then you're getting 15 to 20% off our entire website, You're earning club points. You're getting freebies every couple of months. We send out freebies like this month right here. And it is so much fun. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Click on join the club up at the top and just watch that video. That's going to explain all of the videos, all of the clubs that we have, and it'll give you more information about each and every one. Then the hardest part's going to be to decide which one you want to do. Some people do them all. I'm telling you. Okay, go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.